Guys, it's me again, yung ating new Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So, ayan, dito ako sa house namin. So, sara natin to. So, ayan, umiinom akong coffee. Hindi talaga ako umiinom ng coffee, actually. Pero may tinry akong coffee, yung Hot Babes. So, ayan, this vlog is about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So, ayan, I just want to share you something for today. So, today is may pinagdadaanan tayo. Meron kasing hawakan ko na nga lang. So, ayun, minsan naiisip natin to do our passions sa life. Marami tayong gustong gawin, mga pangarap. We want to do a business, but in the other hand, may mga things tayo na dapat natin munang i-pursue before us, bago yung sarili natin. Like our dream house, if you have your own lots, like you buy a lot, so first you put first the house, right? So ayun, so sometimes kailangan mo pa rin bumalik as a OFW or whatever you are doing in your life, like OFW, midwife, caregiver, um, worker in other country, seafarer. Yeah. Marami tayong i-consider before we start our own dreams in life. And yun yung natutunan ko. And what I learned today is, before you decide to stop working, you consider everything. Are you ready? Are you ready personally, physically, emotionally to pursue your dreams here in the Philippines? Are you physically ready? You have your own house. Yes, we have our own house, but kinda small. But this is a blessing. I receive it from God. So I am blessed. I'm okay with it. But um my mother's dream is to have the comfortable, a little bigger house. Pasensyahan nyo na yung mukha ko. Medyo puyat ako kasi galing ako sa biyahe. I went to Cebu. So, ayun. So, yun nga. So, babalik na naman ako as a seafarer or as a cruise ship. I want to work again in cruise ship. Kasi hindi pa pala ako ready, personally. Lagi ko lang sinasabi na ready na ako, pero hindi pa pala. Pero, ayun nga. Nag-decide ako na mag-stop. Sana, pero hindi pa pala ready. Meron kasi ako nabili na lot sa San Miguel. It's 2,000 square meter. And it needs to be prepared. It needs to be, let's put a house first there. And I need to commit there. I tried to talk in English, when I return to my work, when I need to speak in English. Alright, so guys, ayun nga, kailangan muna natin lagyan ng bahay yon, bakod, at mag-alaga ng mga hayop in the future. So, kailangan talaga we need to prepare a lot. We need to prepare. So, first, family first, yung happiness, their happiness is important to us, right? So, that's it. And if you don't have a kids yet or babies, that's the opportunity to build yourself first, to love yourself more, to grow, to enhance, to know yourself better. Okay? And especially me, ayan, I am proud that I save money because I'm thinking about my future, and to all the people around me, because I want to help, I want to provide, and God uses my pocket to provide for everyone. but I don't owe money for the others. I don't owe money to others because that's my thing. Gusto ko ng matulog na may peace. Yun lang. So, ayun, na-share ko lang yung thoughts ko sa inyo for today. Ayun, sana nakaka-relate kayo. Ayun lang. Ayun lang yung ano ko ngayon is pag-isipan nyo mabuti yung mga kung pangarap nyo or ipupursu nyo muna yung mga pangarap nyo or ipupursu nyo muna yung dapat to do the right thing first. Yeah. Huwag pa bigla-bigla sa decisions making. Otherwise, you will commit a serious problem and then you will experience the anxiety and you don't have a peace of mind. Alright? Alam niyo guys, wala kasing makausap talaga. So, I want to talk with you. Comment down below kung nakaka-relate kayo sa mga pinagsasabi ko. Nakakatawa. Pero, ayun. Gusto ko lang share ko yung thoughts ko for today. So, I hope you like this. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! See you in my next vlog.